In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS 18. And basically here, I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can use to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone without resetting it. So at the end, if you couldn't find your Apple ID password on your iPhone, then I'll also show you the next thing to do to have access to your Apple ID on your iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to see your Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS 18 or iOS 17.5, any iPhone that runs on the latest operating system that the device supports, is go to the iPhone settings. On the settings page, like this, you want to scroll down until you get to apps. Then scroll down until you get to password. So you need to scroll down to P section. Here, you should see password. Click on that. Then scroll down. Then click on Open Passwords. This is going to open the password application on your iPhone. So this is a new iOS 18 feature. Go ahead and open the password using your Face ID or type in your passcode. Now, once the password opens, here, click on All. Then you have access to all the passwords saved on your iPhone. You can see I have my Apple ID password saved. There's it. Then I have my ChatGPT, Facebook, Google. I never saved my Google account, and then like that. Then just click on the Apple ID like this. Then you'll be able to view the Apple ID password in text. If you click on the password just like that, this is going to reveal the Apple ID password to you. And then you can see the website is apple.com. So this is my Apple ID password. So that is the first thing you want to do when you want to see saved password on iPhone, when you want to see your Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS 18. So another method you can use is this. Open your browser. So in this case, I'm going to open the Google browser. So once you open it, go to google.com. So visit google.com and wait for the page to load. Once it loads, click on the profile icon at the top right. You see this? If you have multiple Gmail accounts linked to your iPhone, go ahead and click on Show More Accounts and switch between accounts. You see that? So in this case, I'm going to use this Gmail account. Then click on Manage your Google account. So once you click on that, just hang on a couple of seconds for this page to load. And on the page, you can choose to scroll through the navigation just like this or use the search box. But in essence, you need to go to Security and search for Password Manager. So let's use the search box. Here, you want to search for Password Manager. Then you see we have the Password Manager here. Click on that. This is going to take us to a Google Password Manager safe. So here you can see I have a list of passwords saved on my Google account. Now you want to search whether you have your Apple ID password saved on this page. So you can just check through Apple ID password. If it is there, then you should be able to see it under A. And if it is iCloud password, you should be able to see it under I. So here you can see I have my apple.com. Click on that. Then once you click on that, you'll be prompted to confirm your email password. Go ahead and type in your email password. Now, once you've typed in the password, click on Next and hang on. Now, you should see the password on this page. Now, to copy the password, just click on this icon to copy the password. You can see copy to clipboard. Now, to fill the password, all you just need to do is click on this eye icon to reveal the password. Then if you also scroll down again, you may have access to other Apple ID password on your iPhone. You see that? Then I have Apple ID, forgot Apple ID, and then IDMES Apple ID. Then if I click on the eye icon, this is going to reveal my Apple ID for me. So this I can easily view your Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS 18. Alternatively, if no other ways that you can use to get access to your Apple ID on your iPhone, you may choose to change your Apple ID while logged on your iPhone. So to do this, go to your iPhone settings. And on settings page, you just need to click on your iCloud profile or Apple account like this. Then click on Sign in and Security. Tap that. Once you click on Sign in and Security, you want to hang on like a couple of seconds. Then after that, you should see an option to change your password. Click on that. Then go ahead and type in your Apple ID passcode. In some cases, you may be prompted to confirm your 2FA if you have 2FA set up. Then here, type in your new password and then verify the new password. So this is going to change your Apple ID password straight away. So this is one of the quickest way that you can use to see saved Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.